Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's video tutorial demonstrating on various tactical combinations you can use with the elbow horse to deliver a checkmate. This will be the third board in the book, in the final section of the final chapter. Without further ado, let us begin. A quick analysis of the board would show that red is prepared to deliver a checkmate, using the chariot to move away if red were to move first, but black would be the first to move, and there is a immediate kill by black to win. Now it will involve using the horse chariot combination, and even if red had a full guard, he would not be able to defend well. And I believe this checkmate method by black is considered to be one of the basic and most commonly used tactics, and please do remember the various tactical combinations that were shown in in the ensuing kill. So black to start first, so black would first deliver a check, forcing the advisor to be lowered. Now if red moved the king to the central file, black would checkmate in this manner. So the next move, since the advisor had now got in the way of the red king, black could deliver a check with a chariot. Now the cannon and the chariot will be delivering a check. The only move for red to make would be to play a4 plus 5, and black could boldly capture the advisor. And this would still be a double check because the cannon and the chariot are still delivering a check. Now, red can only move k6 equals to 5. If he played k6 plus 1 to capture the chariot, black could checkmate immediately. This would be a smarter checkmate. And this would be another commonly used tactical combination in similar situations. Black again offers the chariot as a sacrifice for this would be a diversionary sacrifice. Red cannot capture the black chariot. If he did, black horse would retreat, and again this would be a horse cannon checkmate. The king cannot move to the centroid because the black horse will now have guarded this intersection. So red can only retreat his king, but in doing so, it will now be in the scope of the elbow horse, and black can use the tactic of a discovered check to maneuver his material. This is done with r4 equals to 6, so that the only move that red can make is k5 equals to 6, and he will capture the advisor, forcing a king to the third rank before ending the game with a horse cannon checkmate. So this is a very, very useful combination. There are ample examples of similar kills in the ancient manuals, which is why the ancient manuals are considered to be must-read material for you to practice and learn the various basic tactics in Xiangqi. So a quick recap. Let's do it from the eyes of black. Check. k6 equals to 5. Black will checkmate. Check. Sacrifice. Black does not dare to capture. If he did, checkmate. Diversionary sacrifice. Red can only retreat the king. If he captured, horse cannon checkmate. And discovered check. Check. Checkmate. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. The tactical combinations shown here are quite commonly seen and are considered to be basic tactics to learn. So please do go through this video a few times to make sure you know all of them. Thank you. And please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel.